For centuries, scientists believed that the universe operated like a perfectly crafted clock, a grand mechanism precise and predictable, where everything from the motion of the stars to the laws of physics themselves followed a set of known rules. From the smallest particles to the largest cosmic structures, everything seemed to obey a certain order. But what if that understanding is wrong? What if the universe isn't as neat and tidy as we once thought? What if, just occasionally, the gears of this cosmic clock slip and something strange happens? Imagine that for a moment, everything you thought you knew about reality suddenly thrown into question. A glitch, a tear in the fabric of the universe that defies logic and reason. This is the world we are about to dive into, where the very foundation of reality, quantum mechanics itself, seems to break down in the most bizarre and perplexing ways. At the heart of quantum mechanics, there are several foundational principles that have long been accepted as truth. Superposition, entanglement, wave-particle duality. These are the strange but consistent rules that govern the microscopic world. They are the bedrock of our understanding of reality. In superposition, particles exist in multiple states at once, both here and there, in this position and that, until they are observed. Entanglement suggests that particles can be instantaneously connected, no matter how far apart they are, defying our traditional understanding of space and time. And wave-particle duality tells us that particles can behave both as waves and as particles, depending on how we look at them. These principles are what shape the quantum world, and yet they are also so strange, so foreign to our everyday experiences, that they often feel like they belong to a different realm altogether. But here's the kicker. What if every now and then these quantum rules don't apply? What if there are moments when the bedrock of our universe cracks, when the laws of quantum mechanics themselves seem to bend or break? This isn't just a hypothetical thought experiment. This is something scientists are grappling with right now. These anomalies, these glitches in the quantum fabric, are not just scientific curiosities. They're fundamental challenges to everything we thought we understood about reality. And as we uncover more of these strange phenomena, we begin to realize that the universe we live in might be far more chaotic and unpredictable than we ever imagined. One of the first glitches we encounter comes in the form of quantum non-locality. Non-locality refers to the strange ability of quantum particles to influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. This has been observed in numerous experiments, most famously in the famous double-slit experiment, where particles seem to behave differently depending on whether they are being observed. But non-locality goes even further. In recent years, experiments have suggested that quantum entanglement could extend far beyond the theoretical limits we once thought were absolute. Imagine this: particles on opposite ends of the universe influencing each other at the exact same moment, faster than the speed of light. This defies everything we know about the nature of space and time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing should be able to travel faster than light. And yet in the quantum realm, that's exactly what seems to be happening. These are the kinds of glitches that make us question everything. But the quantum realm isn't the only place where strange things are happening. In fact, some of the most perplexing glitches in the universe are found on a much larger scale out in the vast expanse of space itself. One of the biggest mysteries in modern cosmology is the problem of dark energy. This invisible force seems to be causing the accelerated expansion of the universe. The thing is, we don't really know what dark energy is. It doesn't fit with our current models of quantum gravity. And this is where it gets interesting. Could dark energy be a manifestation of some deep, underlying quantum anomaly? Is it possible that dark energy is not just an unknown force but the result of a breakdown in the quantum rules we've relied on? It's a question that remains unanswered, but one that opens up all kinds of possibilities about the true nature of the universe. Another intriguing example of these cosmic glitches is the Pioneer anomaly. This is a historical example, but it's no less perplexing. For decades, scientists have noticed that spacecraft like the Pioneer 10 and 11 were accelerating slightly as they traveled through space, faster than they should have according to the laws of physics. At first, researchers thought it might be due to something like the gravitational pull of unseen objects. But after further investigation, the anomaly could not be explained by any conventional means. Some have even speculated that these deviations could be caused by quantum effects on a larger, more cosmic scale, effects that our current models simply don't account for. It's a subtle anomaly, but one that forces us to consider that there might be deeper, quantum-based forces at play, influencing the motion of objects in space in ways we haven't yet understood. As we explore these glitches in the quantum fabric, we begin to realize that they may not be isolated events. Instead, they could be part of a much larger puzzle, a puzzle that might ultimately challenge our most fundamental theories of reality. The question then becomes, How do we explain these anomalies? Are they simply the result of incomplete models, or do they point to something far deeper, something that our current understanding of quantum mechanics and cosmology can't yet explain? One possibility is that these glitches could be the result of extra dimensions bleeding into our reality. According to string theory, there are many more dimensions beyond the three we experience every day. These extra dimensions could be interacting with our own in subtle ways, bending the quantum laws and creating these anomalies. If this is the case, then what we perceive as a glitch might actually be evidence of these higher dimensions interacting with our own. This opens up the possibility that the universe is far more complex than we can currently imagine, with layers upon layers of reality that are only just beginning to be uncovered. Another intriguing possibility is the multiverse hypothesis. If our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse, then the glitches we observe might simply be the result of our limited perspective. If this is the case, then our understanding of the universe might be only a small fragment of a much larger, more intricate quantum reality. These glitches could be windows into a universe that's far stranger than we ever imagined, a universe that exists beyond the confines of our current models. There's also the possibility that these glitches point to the idea of emergent reality. According to this concept, the quantum rules we observe are not fundamental but emerge from something even deeper. This suggests that the laws of physics we rely on to understand the universe might be temporary approximations, arising from a more fundamental layer of reality. If this is true, then it's entirely possible that the anomalies we observe are not violations of the laws of physics, but rather indications that our understanding of reality is incomplete. These glitches could be the key to unlocking a much deeper, more profound understanding of how the universe operates. So what does all of this mean for our understanding of reality? If quantum rules can bend or break, what does that mean for our sense of free will, determinism, and the nature of consciousness itself? If the universe is more chaotic than we ever thought, then perhaps our understanding of how we fit into it needs to be reconsidered. Are we simply passive observers of a predetermined reality, or do we have the power to shape the universe in ways we haven't yet realized? The technological implications of these glitches could be just as profound. If we could harness the power of these quantum anomalies, could they lead to breakthroughs in energy, communication, or even space travel? Imagine being able to tap into the hidden forces that govern the universe, bending the rules of physics to create new technologies that were once thought impossible. Could these anomalies hold the key to unlocking limitless energy or faster than light travel? These possibilities might seem far-fetched, but as we continue to explore the mysteries of the quantum realm, it becomes increasingly clear that the universe may be far stranger and more powerful than we ever imagined. And what about the search for a unified theory of everything? If these glitches are real, do they point to a missing piece in our theoretical puzzle? Could they be evidence that our current models of the universe are incomplete, or that we are simply looking at the universe through the wrong lens? The pursuit of a unified theory, one that seamlessly ties together quantum mechanics and general relativity, is one of the greatest challenges in modern physics. These anomalies, these glitches, may be a clue that we are on the verge of a breakthrough, one that could radically change our understanding of reality. The good news is that scientists around the world are actively exploring these anomalies, looking for new ways to probe the mysteries of the universe. Advanced particle accelerators, deep space observatories, and quantum computers are all tools that may help us unlock the secrets of these glitches. With each new discovery, we move one step closer to understanding the true nature of reality. But perhaps the most exciting part of this journey is the human element, the thrill of the unknown, the relentless pursuit of understanding, and the potential for a paradigm shift in our cosmic view are what drive us forward. As we continue to explore these strange phenomena, we are not just uncovering new facts about the universe, we are engaging in a process of discovery that could change everything we know about reality itself. And so I leave you with a question. What do you think these glitches mean for our understanding of the universe? Are they simply anomalies, or are they clues to a deeper, more complex reality? Could the universe be stranger than we ever imagined? As we continue to explore these mysteries, one thing is certain: the universe has many secrets left to reveal, and who knows, perhaps the most profound of those secrets is just waiting to be discovered by you. As we continue to explore these perplexing anomalies, it's important to remember that this journey into the unknown is not just about solving puzzles, it's about fundamentally reshaping our understanding of reality itself. Every time we encounter a glitch in the universe, whether it's a quantum anomaly, an unexplained cosmic phenomenon, or an inconsistency in our scientific models, we are forced to confront the limitations of our current knowledge. These glitches push us to think beyond the boundaries of established thought and venture into uncharted territory, where the rules we've relied on for centuries might not apply. In doing so, they challenge not only our understanding of the physical world but also our place within it. Take, for example, the ongoing quest to understand dark energy. For years, scientists have observed that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, driven by what we call dark energy. But we still don't know what dark energy is, or how it works. It doesn't fit neatly into our current models of quantum gravity. If dark energy is indeed a result of a breakdown in our understanding of the quantum realm, it could have implications that stretch far beyond what we can currently grasp. Perhaps it is not an unknown force, but a symptom of deeper quantum fluctuations, something that hints at an entirely new form of energy, or a deeper connection between the universe's fundamental forces. What if dark energy is just one manifestation of a far more profound cosmic truth, one that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of? These questions lead us to the heart of the cosmic anomalies that continue to baffle scientists. What if the universe itself is revealing something about the nature of existence that we've overlooked? What if we're not just looking at isolated glitches in the system, but rather glimpses of a far more intricate and interconnected reality? These anomalies might seem like contradictions, but they could be revealing the limitations of our understanding, urging us to look deeper, beyond the surface, into the hidden layers of reality. As we attempt to piece together these mysterious events, we may uncover new laws of physics, new dimensions, or even entirely new ways of perceiving the universe. One of the most exciting aspects of exploring these cosmic glitches is that they don't just challenge existing theories, they open up new possibilities. If the laws of quantum mechanics can sometimes break down, could that mean there's a deeper, more fundamental layer of reality that operates in ways we haven't yet discovered? What if the universe is more fluid, more flexible than we ever thought possible? Could it be that the very rules we've based our entire understanding of reality on are just the beginning of a far more complex dynamic system? In this context, we might begin to see the so-called glitches as a window into a new paradigm of science, one that acknowledges that our current models are incomplete and that reality itself is far stranger and more fluid than we could have imagined. This shift in perspective could ultimately lead to new breakthroughs not just in physics, but in all areas of human knowledge, from biology to psychology to the study of consciousness. If the fabric of the universe can be altered or manipulated by forces we don't yet understand, how might that shape our understanding of the mind and the nature of life itself? And perhaps as we explore these anomalies, we might start to see ourselves in a new light. Could the mysteries of the quantum realm and the glitches in the cosmic fabric be related to the very nature of human consciousness? As we continue to probe the deepest reaches of the universe, we may begin to ask whether the glitches we observe in the cosmos are somehow connected to our own perceptions and experiences. After all, consciousness itself is still a profound mystery, and our understanding of it is still in its infancy. What if, as we uncover the secrets of the universe, we also uncover something deeper about our own minds and our place within the vast cosmos? At the same time, we must acknowledge the sheer complexity of the universe and the challenges that lie ahead. We are only beginning to understand the true nature of reality, and the questions we ask now may only lead to more questions down the road. But that is the beauty of scientific discovery. It's a process of continuous exploration, a never-ending journey into the unknown. Every new glitch we encounter opens the door to new possibilities and new ideas. And while we may not have all the answers today, each step we take brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. As scientists continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, new technologies will undoubtedly play a critical role in helping us explore these anomalies with greater precision. The development of more powerful particle accelerators, quantum computers, and deep space observatories will allow us to probe the quantum realm and the farthest reaches of the universe in ways that were once unimaginable. These advancements will give us new tools to test our theories, explore the glitches that continue to defy explanation, and ultimately help us unlock the deeper secrets of reality. And let's not forget the human element of this journey. The thrill of discovery, the sense of wonder that comes with uncovering something truly new, is what drives us forward. It's this relentless curiosity and the desire to understand the universe that has propelled humanity throughout history. As we continue to investigate the cosmic glitches and quantum anomalies that challenge our understanding of reality, we are reminded of the power of human curiosity and the boundless potential of our imagination. These glitches aren't just puzzles to be solved. They are invitations to think differently, to stretch the limits of what we believe is possible. The universe's glitches also highlight the importance of questioning what we think we know. In science, we often take certain truths for granted, ideas that have stood the test of time. But as we have seen throughout history, Scientific progress often begins when we challenge these assumptions. The glitches we observe in the quantum realm and the cosmos are a reminder that reality is not fixed. It's fluid, dynamic, and constantly evolving. By embracing the unknown, we open ourselves to the possibility of discovering something even greater, something that could forever change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So what's next? Where do we go from here? The exploration of these cosmic glitches is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Ongoing experiments and research are pushing the frontiers of science, uncovering new layers of the quantum realm and the vast reaches of space. As technology advances and our understanding deepens, we are on the verge of discovering something truly revolutionary. What we once thought of as anomalies may turn out to be the key to unlocking the deepest mysteries of existence. And that's where you come in. As we continue to probe the unknown, we invite you to think about the implications of these glitches for your own understanding of reality. Could the universe really be malfunctioning? Or are we simply looking at it through a lens that's too narrow? What if these glitches are not mistakes but the universe's way of showing us something greater, something more profound? As we stand on the brink of a new era of discovery, we have the opportunity to reimagine our understanding of the universe and embrace the possibility that reality is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The next great discovery might be just around the corner. What will we find when we look beyond the glitches and start to see them for what they really are? A glimpse into the deeper, more complex nature of reality itself. Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the universe has many secrets left to reveal, and we are just getting started. The journey to understand the universe's deepest secrets is as much about the process of discovery as it is about the discoveries themselves. The pursuit of knowledge, the unraveling of cosmic glitches, and the challenge of reimagining the laws of reality require more than just scientific exploration. They demand a shift in the way we perceive the world around us. The very notion that the universe might not be as predictable, as orderly, or as complete as we once thought opens up a universe of possibilities, each more mind-bending than the last. We've explored the idea that the universe, at its deepest level, could be far more chaotic than we ever realized. The anomalies we encounter, whether it's dark energy, quantum entanglement, or unexplained cosmic accelerations, are pushing us toward a new understanding of the universe, one that embraces uncertainty, complexity, and interconnectedness. As we face these glitches, we are reminded that the universe is not a machine with perfectly fixed gears, but a dynamic, ever-evolving system. It's a system that we are only beginning to understand, and it may very well require a new kind of thinking, a thinking that doesn't simply accept the world as we know it, but constantly questions, probes, and challenges everything. This mindset is exactly what has driven humanity forward throughout history. The greatest leaps in our understanding have come when we've dared to ask the bold questions, when we've challenged the established dogma, and when we've been willing to look at the world through a completely new lens. Think of the early astronomers who looked up at the night sky and dared to imagine that the Earth wasn't the center of the universe. Think of the pioneers of quantum mechanics, who in their search for understanding had to accept that the microscopic world didn't behave according to the rules of classical physics. And now we find ourselves once again at a precipice, looking into the vast unknown and realizing that the next great breakthroughs in our understanding of reality may come not from refining what we know, but from embracing what we don't know. The anomalies we've discussed so far, quantum non-locality, dark energy, the pioneer anomaly, were just the beginning. As technology advances, we'll be able to observe the universe at even finer scales, revealing even more mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality. New tools like quantum computers and deeper space probes will allow us to study phenomena that are currently beyond our reach. These technologies will help us uncover new laws of physics, or perhaps show us that the laws we've been relying on all this time are incomplete or even fundamentally flawed. The promise of these new discoveries is not just academic. They could lead to practical applications that change the way we live. Imagine, for example, harnessing the power of quantum entanglement to create instantaneous communication across vast distances, or discovering new forms of energy based on the anomalies we observe in the universe's fabric. The potential for revolutionary advancements in science, technology, and even human experience is staggering, but we must first embrace the unknown, the unexplainable, and the chaotic as part of the process. As we continue this journey of discovery, we must also consider the impact it will have on us as individuals, as societies, and as a species. These cosmic glitches, these revelations about the true nature of reality, or more than just intellectual exercise. They force us to confront deeper questions about our place in the universe, the nature of consciousness, and the future of humanity. If we are living in a reality that is more fluid, more chaotic, and more interconnected than we ever thought, what does that mean for our sense of self? How does our consciousness fit into a universe that seems to be governed by forces we can barely comprehend? And what about the future of human exploration? If these cosmic anomalies point to the existence of extra dimensions, parallel universes, or new forms of energy, then our journey into space could take on a whole new significance. Space travel in the traditional sense has always been about exploration, about reaching other planets, other stars, and other galaxies. But what if, by understanding the glitches in the fabric of reality, we could travel through dimensions, or harness the energy of the cosmos in ways we've never imagined? What if we could unlock new frontiers of space and time that would forever change the way we think about the universe and our place in it? The potential for discovery is limitless. The more we explore, the more we realize that there are no final answers, only new questions. Every new glitch, every new anomaly, leads us closer to an understanding of the universe that is deeper and more complex than we can currently fathom. And with each discovery, we are reminded that we are not passive observers in the universe, but active participants in a grand, cosmic dance. As we explore the deepest reaches of space and the smallest particles of matter, we are not just uncovering the mysteries of the universe, we are uncovering the mysteries of our own consciousness, of what it means to be alive, to be aware, Perhaps the most profound implication of all these glitches is that they show us how much more there is to learn. The universe is vast and mysterious, and as much as we may uncover, there is always more beyond our reach. Every time we think we've discovered the limits of reality, we find new frontiers to explore, new dimensions of existence to contemplate. The universe is not a puzzle to be solved, but an endless journey of discovery, and the more we uncover, the more we realize how little we truly know. So where does that leave us? It leaves us at the beginning, at the threshold of the next great leap in human understanding. The universe is calling us to explore its deepest mysteries, to challenge our assumptions, and to look beyond the surface of what we think we know. The glitches, the anomalies, the moments where reality seems to break down, they are not errors, but invitations to rethink our understanding of everything, from the very nature of existence to the role of consciousness in shaping the universe. We stand on the edge of a new era of discovery, one that will require all of us, scientists, thinkers, dreamers, to embrace the unknown. The future is full of possibility, and the glitches in the fabric of reality were just the beginning. So as we venture forth into the unknown, let us keep our minds open, our imaginations ready, and our sense of wonder intact. The universe is a vast, mysterious place, and its secrets are waiting to be uncovered. Are you ready to step into the unknown, to explore the glitches, and to uncover the truth about the universe and your place within it? The journey is just beginning, and it promises to be a wild, exciting, and transformative venture.